All right, parents, let's talk about cooking with kids. It sounds like a heartwarming, picture-perfect activity, right? You, in a pristine apron, your little one perched on a stool, delicately dusting flour. The reality? It's usually more like a flour-based natural disaster that makes you question all your life. Choices. But here's the secret. If you embrace the chaos, it can be the most fun you'll have all week. So today, we ray ditching the perfect Instagram recipes and diving into 5 hilariously fun cooking adventure. You can actually survive with your kids. First up, monster face pizzas. Forget neatly ranged. Pepperoni. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to create the most monstrous pizza face imaginable. Lay out mini pizza bases. A bowl of tomato sauce which will inevitably end up on the ceiling and a ton of toppings. Think olive eyeballs, bell pepper fangs, shredded cheese for wild hair. Maybe a mushroom nose. The goal isn't beauty, it's pure, edible chaos. Who can make the scariest, silliest monster? The winner gets to eat their creation first. It's messy, it's creative, and best of all, it's pizza. Everyone wins. Next, we have rainbow spaghetti. This one feels like a magic trick. All you need is cooked spaghetti, some Ziploc bags, and food coloring. Divide the pasta into a few bags, add a few drops of different food coloring, and a splash of water to each, and then this is the best part, hand the sealed bags to your kids and tell them to shake. Let them go wild. They get to shake, squish, and mix until the pasta is brightly colored. It's a great way to burn off some energy before dinner. Once you're done, you can mix all the colors together for a unicorn-worthy pasta dish. Serve it with butter and Parmesan and watch them eat the rainbow. Idea number 3, the blindfolded taste test. This is less about cooking a full meal and more about exploring flavors. And it is absolutely hilarious. Get a blindfold and a bunch of small, safe-to-eat items. Think a slice of apple, a cracker, a spoonful of yogurt, a pickle. Maybe a raspberry. One person wears the blindfold while the other feeds them a mystery item. Their job is to guess what it is. The facial expressions you will witness are priceless. That moment of confusion when they bite into a lemon slice thinking it's a banana? Pure comedy gold. Plus, it's a sneaky way to get them to try new foods without any preconceived notions. Moving on to a construction-themed snack, edible Legos. This is perfect for little builders. You'll need crackers like saltines or graham crackers and a thick cement like cream cheese. Peanut butter or frosting, the crackers are your bricks. And the spread is your mortar. Challenge them to build the tallest tower, the longest wall, or a whole cracker castle. It teaches them a bit about structure and balance, and when their creation inevitably collapses, they can just eat the delicious wreckage. Clean up is a breeze because, well, you eat it. Finally, for dessert, let's make volcano brownies. Bake a simple pan of brownies, or even buy some if you're short on time. Then, scoop a little hole in the center of each brownie. This is your volcano caldera. Fill it with red or orange frosting, or maybe some strawberry jam for the lava. The eruption is the grand finale. Give each kid a scoop of vanilla ice cream to place on top. As the ice cream melts, the lava will start to ooze out the sides. You can even add some sprinkles for volcanic ash. It's a delicious science experiment that's guaranteed to end in sticky, happy faces. So there you have it. 5 ways to turn kitchen time from a stressful chore into a session of pure, unadulterated fun. The key is to let go of perfection. The kitchen will get messy. There will be spills. But the laughter and the memories you'll create are so worth it. Thanks for watching. Give these a try and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more chaotic fun. See you next time.